I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the network name and the exact case-sensitive password so the QR will work first try. Once done, pick the correct encryption type. WPA2 is common. Choose none only for open guest nets. Next, open a trusted QR generator or app. Make sure it can create Wi-Fi type QR codes, and if privacy matters, enable offline generation so secrets don't upload. Now enter SSID, password, and encryption, and preview the encoded string. You now finalize the QR. Select Wi-Fi as the payload and enter SSID, password, and encryption exactly. Once the QR appears, test scan it with one phone to ensure automatic join behavior and that the password populates correctly. If it works, export the code as PNG for screens or SVG/PDF for print to keep sharp edges. When printing, make the code at least 2.53 cm per side for reliable scanning from typical distances. You finish by placing or sharing the QR where people will scan it, near the entrance or reception, and remind users to toggle Wi-Fi scanning if their phone doesn't auto-detect. If a scan fails, check for typos and correct encryption. Make sure hidden SSIDs require manual entry. If issues persist, reboot the router and regenerate a fresh QR to be safe. One key tip: try scanning with a different device to isolate whether the QR or the phone's scanner is the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.